Everybody, Frankv Villanueva, your real estate advisor, and today I'm going to be discussing how to figure out your mortgage payments. Have you ever asked yourself, I wonder what my mortgage payments would look like if I bought a property? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a mortgage calculator to determine your mortgage payments. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so let's go to your search browser. And I am using my Google Chrome search browser on my iPhone. And we're going to type in bankrate.com. Going to go to the top left-hand corner. And we are going to scroll down and go to calculators. We're going to use a mortgage calculator, but there's a lot of other cool calculators on here. I've used another calculator a lot, which is the amortization calculator. And I've done a video on how to pay off your mortgage quicker. Feel free to check it out on my channel. It's a good video on how paying additional principal payments knocks down the lifetime of your loan. But for now, we are going to use mortgage calculator. And we have a home price here. We have your down payment. We have your length of loan and your interest rate. So let's go ahead and change this to a more realistic price that you'll find in the Bay Area. Let's go 1,500,000. Let's say you're putting 20% down. Oops, let's put 20% down. All right, 30-year fix. And interest rate, let's go 4%. It's been fluctuating due to the markets. And one thing I wanted you to point out too is, for some reason, this calculator, they automatically add in homeowner insurance and property taxes. You could always add that in later, but for right now, I just want to know what the principal and interest payments are. So right here we have $5,728. That's what you're going to be paying monthly for your principal and interest. So feel free to play around this calculator. It's super simple. I know this is a simple video, but I just want to point out that bankrate.com has really cool calculators, and this is an easy way to figure out what your monthly payments will be. I know, right? Super easy to figure out your mortgage payment. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe, and also feel free to look at other videos that might be helpful to you.